Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram and 24K on Twitter. Today we're looking at Feit Electric's Smart Outdoor Camera. It works with the Feit Electric app for the iPhone and Android. This offers 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi connection, HD 1080p audio, motion detection. You can pause the video at any time and take a look at the details here. It also has a MicroSD card slot, so you can record video on the device itself. We'll go inside the box. So we have all the mounting screws that you would need. So that's nice. They include the masonry ones and the wood ones as well. You have the charging cable. This is micro USB. You have the magnetic piece that you would use on the side of the home to attach it to. And then you have the camera itself. This is quite heavy, so it's got a lot of power capability with it. So here is the camera itself, Feit Electric right there. This back part right here has the audio portion with the speaker, and then this comes off so you can connect to it and recharge. It's in there pretty good because it is waterproof once it's connected. So there it is right there. It runs on battery power, so this is mostly always covered up like that. And then you attach it to the bottom with this piece right here that comes in the kit. So it's one piece with the camera. It has motion detection, as you can see here. It's water resistant, and it's 50-foot night vision. So that's about double of what the night vision is on most of these outdoor cameras. And it is battery powered. This is Chris Roshnot. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.